Hello from Bambinoshire, number 27. Intellectual bird, little Bambi. My name is Luke Diamond. Hello, Bambino. Hello. 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 Bambino's having a nice day today. Yes. Nice and calm day Bambino having. Yes. Yes. Bambino's having a good day. Bambinoshire. Bambinoshire is having a wonderful day. Sometimes she goes, yes, Bambino goes. Here it goes, here it goes. Bambinoshire's video. Would you like to say something, Bambino, today, or are you going to be quiet now? Because your other master is not here right now, right? You going to say something, baby? You going to say something in the video, baby? Yes? To the audience, say something, baby. Anyway, so we have this bird channel show. Bambinoshire, Senorita Presidento, Bambi has become the star because within less than 2 months now, with all the videos from Senorita 1 to like 26, 27, she has now over 7,000 views. Less than 2 months. That's something I've never experienced myself. Never thought such a thing would happen. But this beautiful bird, such a great personality, and a very happy bird, aerobics, you've seen all the videos. So like and subscribe, and also check my spiritual meditation astrology show, numerology, Luke Diamond Show, LUKE DIAMOND show, Luke Diamond Show on YouTube. So you can see that spiritual show. I'm sitting in a red chair talking. So you want to definitely check that out and support it. So like the show, subscribe, and definitely, if you like birds, spiritual things, then next step is to look at the Luke Diamond Show. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.